Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best shocks for Tacoma that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Detroit Axle 4-wheel drive struts and shocks kit, designed specifically for 2005 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive models. This kit includes 2 front struts with coil spring assemblies and 2 rear shock absorbers, providing a complete solution for replacing your Tacoma's suspension system. One standout feature is the ready-to-install design, which eliminates the need for additional tools or modifications, a huge plus for DIY enthusiasts. Additionally, Detroit Axle backs this product with a 10-year warranty, showcasing their confidence in its durability. In terms of build quality, the kit is constructed with robust materials that undergo rigorous impact, wear, and fatigue testing. This ensures reliable performance even under demanding driving conditions. However, the design is fairly standard. It's not flashy, but gets the job done nicely. Performance-wise, users report smoother rides and reduced vibrations, especially on uneven roads. Despite this, the product doesn't cater to off-road enthusiasts seeking advanced capabilities like lift adjustments. The Detroit Axle kit is ideal for budget-conscious drivers who need a dependable, straightforward solution for everyday use. However, it may not be the best fit for those requiring premium features or compatibility with lifted trucks. Overall, its competitive pricing and extensive warranty make it a solid choice, albeit with some limitations in versatility. Pros include ease of installation and durability. Cons include lack of advanced features for off-road applications. Coming in at rank 4 is the A Premium Shock Absorber Strut and Coil Spring Assembly Set, tailored for older Tacoma models from 1995 to 2004. This set includes 2 front struts and 2 rear shock absorbers, making it a comprehensive solution for both 4-wheel drive and R-wheel drive configurations. The kit boasts an impressive feature set, including pre-installed mounts and coil springs, dust shields, and durable alloy steel construction. Additionally, A Premium offers a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, which is a nice touch for peace of mind. The design is practical and geared toward longevity, with alloy steel construction ensuring structural integrity. Installation is hassle-free thanks to its direct fit compatibility. In terms of performance, the A Premium kit delivers a smoother ride and improved handling for day-to-day driving. However, it lacks advanced adjustability features, which might be a downside for enthusiasts looking to fine-tune their suspension setup or tackle off-road terrain. This product is a great choice for Tacoma owners with older models who want reliable, straightforward replacements without breaking the bank. While it's not the most advanced option on the market, its durability and ease of installation make it a smart investment for everyday driving. Pros include its compatibility with older models and comprehensive design. Cons are its lack of advanced features and limited off-road capability. At rank number 3, we have the Torch Extended Rear Shocks, designed for Tacomas with a rear lift of 2 to 4 inches, covering models from 2005 to 2023. This product is tailored specifically for 6-lug Tacoma configurations, making it a niche option for lifted trucks. The package includes 2 extended rear shocks, shock mount hardware, and dust boots with zip ties, all presented with a bolt-on installation process and detailed instructions for DIY mechanics. Additionally, Torch offers a 5-year, 50,000-mile warranty, further reinforcing their reputation for reliability. The design is rugged and purpose-built for lifted setups, ensuring proper alignment and damping performance for elevated trucks. These shocks don't lift the vehicle themselves, but they complement lift kits perfectly, maintaining stability and ride comfort. On-road handling is smooth, while off-road performance shines with enhanced control during rough terrain navigation. However, it's worth noting that these shocks are rear-only, and you'll need a lift kit to use them. Torch's extended rear shocks are ideal for drivers who've modified their Tacoma with a rear lift and need compatible suspension components. They offer fantastic value for off-road enthusiasts and lifted vehicle owners, but won't suit stock height Tacomas or those without a lift kit. Pros include their compatibility with lifted Tacomas and solid performance. Cons are their limited application to modified trucks and rear-only design. In the runner-up position at number 2, we have the Pefferway front and rear struts shock absorbers coil spring assembly set, compatible with four-wheel drive Toyota Tacoma models from 2005 to 2015. This set includes 2 front shock absorbers and 2 rear shocks, making it a comprehensive replacement kit. It's manufactured with high-quality steel and features precision tolerances for easy installation. The aerodynamic design helps reduce fuel consumption and prolongs the life of your vehicle's suspension components. Pefferway's build quality is impressive, with excellent pipe and weld design ensuring structural integrity and durability. Performance-wise, users report a noticeable improvement in ride comfort and handling. The shocks are rigorously tested for friction and temperature characteristics, ensuring reliable performance across various driving conditions. However, like other kits in this price range, it doesn't offer advanced features like ride height adjustability or specialized off-road capability. This product is perfect for Tacoma owners who need a durable, high-performing suspension kit for daily driving and occasional light off-road use. It strikes a good balance between price and quality, but advanced users may find the lack of premium features limiting. Pros include its robust build and smooth ride. Cons are its limited adjustability and lack of compatibility with lifted setups. Taking the crown at rank number 1 is the Trends Auto 5100 series front and rear shocks, designed for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacomas with a 0 to 1 inch rear lift. These B8 5100 shocks offer ride height adjustability up to 2.75 inches, making them a versatile choice for leveling and lifting your Tacoma. The monotube design and patented degressive valving ensure exceptional damping performance, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling off-road trails. Plus, the bolt-on installation process ensures minimal hassle. The design is sleek with a zinc exterior finish, offering both durability and a modern appearance. Each shock is vehicle-specific and tuned for optimal performance. On-road, the B8 5100 delivers smooth, comfortable handling, while off-road, it provides excellent stability and control, making it the perfect all-around option for Tacoma owners. Additionally, the inclusion of a Trends Auto decal adds a nice touch for brand enthusiasts. This product is a fantastic choice for drivers who want versatility, dependability, and premium features in one package. It's suitable for both everyday use and adventurous off-road trips, making it worth the investment. Pros include its ride height adjustability, robust design, and dual-purpose performance. Cons are its higher price point and compatibility limited to newer Tacoma models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.